Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the VIB sale from Sephora. I'm filming this video every year, so I will link down below all of the videos that I already filmed. Today I'm trying to mention products that I didn't in the past. So let's start with the primer. This is the Benefit Professional but the light version. It's not a new product, but I discovered it in the fall. But let me tell you, this one and the foundation that I'm gonna recommend in a second, they are a dream combo. So this is a great product. It is minimizing the look of the pores. You cannot erase your pores, but you can minimize them and it looks flawless. It keeps my makeup looking great longer. I really like it, and I bought it in the mini format because it's just easier to use it up like that, but it is a great product overall. Just the texture of it, it is pretty strange. It is like a very thick gel. It's like a dried up gel, but it will melt with the warmth of your finger. It's just a bit strange at the beginning. And the foundation that I want to recommend, it is the Huda Beauty Easy Blur. This is so beautiful and it wears great, but it's not a flat matte foundation. It is blurring, and like I said, with the primer you will look so flawless and blurred, and at the beginning it looks matte, but after a while, if you have like me combo skin, the skin will look glowy but not greasy or something like that. It's just stunning. I really like it. It is my favorite foundation and I cannot recommend it enough. Another product from Huda that I absolutely love, it is the powder. I did recommend this one a million times, but this time around I want to talk about the pink shade. This is the shade Cherry Blossom Cake. This is so beautiful. First of all, the powder, it is the best powder out there. It is my favorite. It is just mattifying and making everything blurry and flawless. The combo of these three, you have like photoshopped skin, really. It looks flawless, and this is making all foundations look matte longer. It is the best setting powder out there, but the pink shade, it is so beautiful and cute, and I do have a warmer undertone, but it doesn't look ashy on me. It looks just flawless, and it is easier to blend it into the blush and stuff like that. Another product that I fell in love, it is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This is a favorite of a lot of people, and I can see why. It's just a really great setting spray. The packaging is absolutely beautiful. The spritzer is very fine, but you can still feel the product reaching your face and it's just melting everything into the skin. It makes my makeup look better for longer, so overall I really like it. Next I have two blushes to recommend. The first one is a powder one. It is the Makeup Forever Artist Blush. I have the shade Rebel Bloom. This is stunning. It is blurring, but at the same time it has some glow and it looks flawless on the cheeks. Can't recommend it enough. If you have mature skin, or you have a lot of pimples, or a lot of texture, or a lot of problem skin on your cheeks, this is the way to go, because it is not emphasizing everything. It's just smoothing everything and adding a glow. And another one that I want to recommend, it's a duo, and it is the Natasha Denona High Blush. At the beginning I didn't love this one, but I really like it. The highlighter is actually my favorite from these two, but I think the blush I didn't like at the beginning because I cannot apply it with a sponge, and usually that's the way I like to apply my cream products. But this one works so nicely with a brush, and then if you are putting the highlighter on top, so I'm recommending the duo to be used together. If you are just picking one, they are okay, but together they look like glass skin. I really like them. They are wearing great. I hope that she will release some other shades, because the ones that are available are a bit just too pink. This one is the only one that is a bit more peachy. Let's talk about two products that are not makeup. I want to recommend this one. It is the Youth to the People Super Clay Purify and Clear Power Mask. This is just great after a vacation or when I want to have just like a spa day at home. This is just great. It's clarifying everything on my skin. The skin just looks refreshed after using a product like this, and this one in particular is really great, and you get a pretty good amount in here, so it will last you a bit. It's just a really nice product overall. And I want to recommend this one as well. I know that body sprays and Sol de Janeiro in particular are very popular, but I really like this one. This is the number 68 and it is my favorite. It smells like a vacation. All of the scents from Sol de Janeiro smells like that, but this one is my favorite. And overall I feel like they are a bit more affordable than a normal perfume, and I much prefer body sprays in the summer. The lip gloss that I have on my lips is this one. It is the Milk Odyssey Lip Oil Gloss. This is so nice. I didn't expect it, but it is like a shiny, very plush lip oil gloss combo, and I can see why they called it a lip oil and the gloss, because it is like a thicker lip oil and it looks great. It's one of my favorites. It's so juicy and the lines are very blurred. Can't recommend it enough. And another product that is very similar, it is the Haus Labs lip glaze. This is in the shade Cocoa. This is so beautiful, and again it is like a shiny and thicker lip oil. It looks stunning, and because it's not that pigmented, you are getting a brown lip, but somehow it is very wearable. Can't recommend it enough. I was thinking what palette to recommend, because I always recommend Natasha Denona palettes and I still do, but this time around I decided only on this one because this is the highlight of last year in my opinion. It's just a great palette and I cannot recommend it enough. This is the ABH Spice. It is a 9 pen, so it is smaller, easier to travel. You have a good mirroring here. The packaging is very beautiful and the shades are just so stunning. You have some creamy, easy to blend mattes and then some very pigmented and very shimmery shimmers. They are just so beautiful. Can't recommend this palette enough. So this was everything. I just wanted to recommend a few products that are different from previous videos and that I fell in love with. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you next time.